Managing a large-scale project with tight deadlines, limited resources, and complex schedules? You need more spreadsheets, you need more control. That's where Primavera comes in. Primavera is a powerful project portfolio management software developed by Oracle. It is widely used in industries like construction, engineering, oil and gas, defense, and manufacturing, where project timelines and costs are mission-critical. But what makes Primavera stand out? It goes beyond basic project planning. Primavera helps organizations plan, manage, and track multiple complex projects all in one place. Here's what Primavera can do. Create detailed schedules with thousands of tasks. Manage multiple projects across departments or teams. Allocate resources efficiently to avoid bottlenecks. Track project costs and timelines in real time. And generate dynamic reports for stakeholders and clients. From early planning to final delivery, Primavera gives project managers total visibility and control. Primavera is especially valued in large-scale, high-risk projects where delays or overspending can be costly. Its tools help identify critical paths, forecast potential risks, and keep everything aligned with business goals. Users can also manage changes, track progress, and adjust schedules without losing sight of the big picture. So, who uses Primavera? Project managers needing structure and clarity, planners and schedulers managing complex timelines, construction and engineering firms handling multiple stakeholders, and organizations that require compliance, accuracy, and reporting at scale. If your projects involve high budgets, strict timelines, or multi-team collaboration, Primavera delivers. Primavera isn't just a tool. It's a full-scale solution for advanced project management. To learn Primavera with expert guidance, explore our hands-on training courses at the Knowledge Academy. And for more project management insights, subscribe to the channel today.